Rumored to come in 3 new gradient finishes, OnePlus 7 is looking as good on the outside as it is rumored to be on the inside. Here's what we know about the OnePlus 7 UK release date, price and specifications. New gradient color options for the OnePlus 7 have leaked via Tiger Mobiles, and it look every bit as gorgeous on the outside in black yellow, black purple and cyan grey as it is rumored to be on the inside. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about OnePlus 7. Let's have a look. We are still around 2 months from launch for the OnePlus 7, yet online retailer GizTop has leaked key details such as the price and specs. We are almost certain it's a lot of old torch, especially since the OnePlus 7 comes in more than £70 cheaper than the OnePlus 60 listed on the site at £426.75 and $569 and €500.72. According to the news source, OnePlus 7 will have a 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with waterdrop display and in-display fingerprint sensor, a 2.84 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with Android 640 GPU, 8/12 GB RAM and 128 GB/256 GB of storage, a triple lens rear camera 48 megapixel, 20 megapixel and 5 megapixel, a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera and a 4000 mAh battery that sport 44 watt dash charges, and the Oxygen OS 9 OS based on Android Pie. There has been much talk of OnePlus releasing a 5G phone in the first half of 2019 before the end of May according to the company, and at MWC in February it showed off the mystery device hidden behind glass. It's thought that this will be a more expensive version of the standard OnePlus 7 which won't support 5G, and thus it makes sense that both phones launch in May. OnePlus typically launch 2 flagship phones per year, with the most recent OnePlus 60 announced in late October of 2018 and on sale in early of November. Prior to this, the OnePlus 6 was announced on 16 May 2018 following the announcement of the OnePlus 5 on 20 June 2017. The OnePlus 60 starts at the £499 and we have seen nothing in the rumored specs to suggest the OnePlus 7 will hike this price any further, at least not for the standard models. We would expect a 5G version to cost more, potentially up to £599. At MWC, OnePlus confirmed the 5G phone it was teasing behind glass would run the Snapdragon 855 with the X50 modem, and it was apparent that the device also had 21.9 display, little else was given away. The tidbit of information that most caught our attention was the company's comment that there would also be a 4G version of the phone with only minor differences, suggesting that the 5G OnePlus is simply a more expensive version of the OnePlus 7, in the same way that Galaxy S10 5G is a variant of the standard non-5G S10. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming OnePlus 7. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World, and peace out, take care, bye bye.